Good morning, students. This is Chalama Reddy, Mathematics. Now I am going to discuss Mains 5th September 2020 Shift 2 questions. Still now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, like, share to your friends. Thank you. Now, see the first problem. In a GP, sum of second, third, fourth terms is 3 and sum of 6th, 7th, 8th term is 243. Then find sum of first 50 terms of GPs. Sum of 50 terms means we need a first term and common ratio. So by using those two conditions, we will find first term and common ratio. Generally, GP series means this is A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on. Nth term, AR power n minus 1, and so on, like this. Second, third, fourth term. Second term means AR. Third means AR square. Fourth means AR cube. Those sum is 3 units. Now here take AR common. Now we get 1 plus R square. That is equal to 3. This is first one. Next, sixth one. Sixth, seventh, eighth. Sum of those terms. Sixth term means AR power 5 plus AR power 6 plus AR power 7. The sum of three terms value 243 given. Here take AR power 5 common. Remaining is 1 plus R square. That is equal to 243. This is second. Now divide second by 1. What happens? See, second one, A into R power 5, 1 plus R square divided by AR into 1 plus R square. That is equal to 243 divided by 3. These two cancel and A also cancel, 1 R also cancel. We get R power 4. R power 4, that is equal to 381 sir 243. 81 means that is 3 power 4 only. So finally we got R value is 3. Common ratio we got. Now I am going to find A value. This is substitute in first equation. First equation 3A plus our first equation. Now observe that 3A into 1 plus 3 square, that is equal to 3. 3A is equal to how much? So here 3 cancel. Then finally 1 plus 3 square value 13. 13A is equal to 1. Then A is equal to 1 by 13. Now they are asking sum of 50 terms, first 50 terms. What is the formula? A into R power n, that is R power 50 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. What is A here? 1 by 13. R means 3 power 50 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 value 2. So we get 3 power 50 minus 1 divided by 26. This is sum of 50 terms. So this is easy question only. Okay. Next, I am going to another question. See this. This is quadratic equation related. Alpha, beta are roots of the equation 7x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then find the value of this. First, sum of the roots, alpha plus beta. How much? 3 by 7. Product of the roots, that is 2 by 7. Now this is simplified. Take the LCM. Denominator will come 1 minus alpha square minus beta square plus alpha square beta square. Now numerator alpha minus alpha beta square plus beta minus beta alpha square. Now numerator, observe that alpha plus beta, this is one term, minus alpha beta square minus beta alpha square. Take alpha beta common, we get alpha plus beta. And denominator, observe that 1, take minus common here, alpha square plus beta square, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta whole square. Now substitute those values. 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7 into 3 by 7 divided by 1 minus into alpha plus beta whole square, that is 9 by 49 minus 2 alpha beta 4 by 7 plus alpha beta square 4 by 49. This is. Now take the LCM, numerator and denominator. LCM is going to cancel. Remaining here will come 21 minus 6 divided by 49 minus 9 minus 28 plus 4. Now in the numerator 15 divided by 9 minus 28, 19, 49 plus 4, 53. 53 minus 19, how much? I think 34. 34. This is the answer. So finally we got 15 by 34. This is easy question only. Next I am going to third question. This is a logarithm and sequences and series related. We know that formula, logarithm of a to the base b power n. What is that? 1 by n log a to the base b. So by using this formula we can calculate. First one will come 1 by 2 log x to the base 7 plus 1 by 3 log x to the base 7, 1 by 4 log x to the base 7 plus and so on. 20 terms, that is equal to 460. That is equal to 460. Now take log x to the base 7 common, remaining 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on. 20 terms. 20 terms means it will come 21. Starts with 2 now. That is equal to 460. Log x to the base 7. This is AP series. Sum of 20 terms. 20 by 2 into a plus l. A means 2, l means last term, 21. That is equal to 460. 2 tens are. Now Log x to the base 7, 21 plus 2, that is 23. And here n by 2 into L plus L. Okay. This is the overall will come 230. That is equal to 460. 2 times. Now finally, log x to the base 7 is equal to 2. By using logarithmic definition, then what is x value? 7 square. So x is equal to 49. This is the answer. This is also very easy question in mains 5th September given. Next. So this is a complex number related problem. -1 plus √3i given. -1 plus √3i. Actually, -1 plus √3i divided by 2. This is omega. So -1 plus √3i means 2 omega. Okay. 1 minus I whole square. Expand this. 1 minus 1 minus 2i. So this value is minus 2i. Now solve this. This is an easy problem. -1 plus √3i whole power 30. But in the denominator, 1 minus I whole square whole power 15. Now substitute here 2 omega whole power 30 divided by 1 minus I whole square value minus 2i whole power 15. 15 is odd number. So numerator 2 power 30 into omega power 30. We know that omega cube value is 1. So this is omega cube whole power 10 divided by minus 2 whole power 15 and I power 15, I square whole power 14 into I square value is minus 1 whole power 14 means positive. Here observe that 2 power 15, 2 power 30, 2 power 15 cancel. We get numerator 2 power 30. This is 1 divided by minus I. Multiply and divide with I. Multiply and divide with I. What happens? See. Actually here I square whole power 14 I am written. This is wrong. I square whole power 7. Yes or no? I square value is minus. Here we get plus. Now multiply and divide with I. Denominator, numerator 2 power 15 into I. Denominator I into I square. I square value minus 1. So overall answer is minus 2 power 15 into I. This is the answer. This is also easy question. I think students, all of you understood now. Still now not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.